Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 9.3 chapter sequence and series. In the previous videos we discussed question number up to 21. So question number 22 is, if the pth and qth term of GP is A, qth term is B and rth term is C. So we are required to prove that A power Q means R, B power R means P, C power P means Q equals to 1. This is we should prove. So first we write AP. AP is A R. Here we use capital A. P means 1. This is A. R. P means 1. This is equation number 1. AQ is A R power Q means 1. This is B. A R power Q means 1. This is equation number 2. A R power R means 1. This is C. This is the equation number 3. So we take left hand side, that is A power Q means R, B power R means B, C power P means Q. Here we first put the value of A, which is A R P means 1 whole power Q means R. B is A R Q means 1 whole power R means P. And C is A R means 1 whole power P means Q. So this is A power Q means R power P means 1 into Q means R, A power R means P. This is R power Q means 1 into R means P. This is A power P means Q, R power R means 1 into P means Q. So this base is same, so powers are to be added. R means P, this is P means Q. Here base is same, powers are added. This is PQ means PR means Q plus R. This is QR means QP means R plus P. This is RP means RQ means P plus Q. So in this, Q is cancelled out, R is also cancelled out, P. A power 0. This is PQ cancelled out by PQ. PR. This is PR. Q. This is Q. R, QR, PP. So R power is 0. A power 0 is 1, R power 0 is 1. So right hand side equals to 1. This is the solution of this question. In question number 23, the statement is, if the first and last term of GPR, first term is A and last term is AN, which is B. P is the product of first n terms. We are required to prove P square is equal to AB power n. Here P is the product of first n terms. We write first n terms. These are the first n terms. A R n means 1. This is the product. So this is A power n. This is R1 plus 2 up to n minus 1. So this is AN and this is the AP. Sum of AP is n upon 2 A plus n. N is last term AN. So this is AN R power n minus 1 upon 2. This is the product. When we scale this is A power 2n. This is R power n minus 1. This is the left hand side. And in right hand side, AN is equal to B. So an is a r power n minus 1, which is b r power this is put the right hand side a b power n. This is an plus bn. An put the value of bn, that is a r n minus 1 whole power n. So this is an n minus 1. This is a power 2n r power n minus. This is the right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. This is the solution of question number 23. In question number 24, the statement is show that the ratio of the sum of the first n terms of GP to the sum of the terms n plus 1 to 2nth n is 1 upon Rn. So in this, first we write the sum of n terms, which is R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is the question number 1. Since there are n terms, since there are n terms from n plus 1 to 2n. The sum of these terms are a n plus 1 r power n. This is 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r. This is the sum of these terms. So in this we find, that is, this is take minus is common, so this is n plus 1 rn minus 1 upon r minus 1. Take minus from numerator and denominator. First we find an plus 1, that is sum of n plus 1 to nth term, which is ar n plus 1 minus 1. This means arn. This is the n plus 1 term. So it is sum is arn upon rn minus 1 upon r minus 1, and its ratio is Sn dash. Sn is a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. This is r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So this is cancel out. A is cancel out. This ratio is equal to 1 by r power n. This is the answer of this question. In 25th, if a, b, c, d are in GP, then prove that a square, b square, c square into b square, c square, d square equals to ab plus bc plus cd. AB plus BC plus CD whole square. So in this question, first we are given A, B, C are in GP. This means the common ratio of these four terms are same. This means if A, B, C, D are in GP, then B upon A equals to C upon B equals to D upon C equals to K. So B is equal to AK, C is equal to BK, put the value of B AK, so it's AK square, D is CK, put the value of C, this is AK cube. Take left hand side, which is A square plus B square plus C square, then B square plus C square plus D square. Put the value of A square is same, B square is A square, K square, C square is A square, C square is A square, K4. Here B square is A square, K square, C square is A square, K4, D square is A square, K6. Take A square common, so this is 1 plus K square plus K4. In this, take A square common, A square into K square common. This is 1 plus K square plus K cube. So here we take K square, so this is K4. This is A4 k square 1 plus k square plus k4 whole square. This is the left hand side. And in the right hand side, the terms are AB plus BC plus CD whole square. Put value of B. B is AK, then B is AK, C is AK square. So C is AK square, B is AK2. So this is whole square. This becomes A square K plus A square K cube plus A square K power 5 whole square. When we take A square common, this is A4. Here K square is common. This is 1 plus K square plus K4 whole square. This is the left hand side is equals to right hand side. This is the answer of this question. In the next question, the statement is find 3 geometric mean between 3 and 81. So we are required to find 3 geometric mean. First we take G1, G2, G3 are the geometric mean. So in this A is 3, number of terms are 5 and A5 is 81. As we know, A5 is A4 which is 81, A is 3, value of R should be find, and A5 is AR4, this is 81, so R4 is, there are 5 terms, so A5 is 81, A5 is AR4, R4 is, here A is 3, question is, insert 3 geometric mean between 3 and 81. This is G1, G2, G3. Here A is 3. Number of terms are 5. So A5 last term is 81. A5 is AR4. Here A is 3. So 81 upon 3. So R4 is 27. This is I think there are 2 geometric mean between 3 and 81. So number of terms are 4. This is A4. A4 is 21. Here RQ. This is RQ. RQ is 27. So R is 3. This is the common ratio. And first geometric mean is AR, which is 3 into 3. So 9 is the first geometric mean. G2 is AR the square. So 3 into 3 square, which is 27. So 3, 9, 27 and 81 are in G2. So in this question, the statement is insert 2 geometric mean between 3 and 81 so that the resulting numbers are in G2. So first we take A is equal to 3, the number of terms are 4 and 4 term is 81. A4 is AR cube, which is 81. So 3 R power 3 equal to 81. R cube is 27, R is 3, and G1, G2 are 27 and 9 and 27. Thank you.